At Workheld, we know what a broken production line means and why maintenance is central to any production. Workheld helps you avoid production downtime and plan preventative maintenance. Based on asset status, maintenance managers keep track of the condition of all assets, and our Quick Create tool allows production staff to report new defects quickly and easily. Via the status dashboard, you have an overview of all faults and can follow the progress directly. In this way, you can see immediately if something is running behind schedule or if defects are occurring. You can assign planned maintenance to employees via the digital planning board. The work of maintenance technicians is made easier by the fact that they have access to the complete system history, offline too. They can find documents, pictures, and sketches of past maintenance and troubleshooting. With the help of checklists that can be created individually, you increase the quality of execution and can provide your employees with instructions for routine activities. With one click, reports can be generated and digitally signed. With Workheld, maintenance processes can be optimized and asset utilization within your company can be increased. Time-consuming work processes become digital and make efficient collaboration possible. Our experts adapt Workheld to your needs so that you get the ideal system for your company. If desired, Workheld can also be connected to existing systems.